Look what the cat dragged in, guys. Welcome in my new episode, and this episode is brand new about if statements. The if statements is very easy topic, but I still will spend 2 episodes on it because I want to cover as much as possible in as little as possible so that you guys enjoyed the videos and at the same time got a nice result. Yeah, in your life, learning programming, learning game development, and then you just created your own game, posted it in your Google Play, and earned a lot of money. And just by literally watching only like 5 to 10 minutes videos every day. So let's dive in. Today's topic is if statements. If statements is pretty easy thing. It just like tells you, okay, so let me draw. Here goes the execution of our program. It executes code, it goes all the way to the right, and here it meets if statement. And if statement tells if you do that, you will go here. If you do something else, you will go here. And here it will may again ask if, and if you go, and else if. Okay, that's pretty easy. And so I opened my Unity, opened our script, and here it is. So oh, by the way, guys, here is an episode about functions in C#. If you're interested, you may see it. It's a previous video, I guess. Okay, so let me show you a simple example. So let me first show you the syntax. Yeah, that's boring stuff, but we should cover it anyway. So we put if, then we put condition in here, and then we open brackets and we type here else if, another condition, and like this. Okay. So that is the mostly used like pattern of using if conditions. Okay. So let me show you an example. Let's create a boolean variable. Actually, you can write. Let us write if statements without boolean. So let us if 3 less than 5. We will execute this part of code, and else if 3 not is less than 5, we will execute this line of code. Let us just debug.output log in. So let us just output here in if, and here let us output. May you guess what? Maybe you will pause the video to guess it. Oh, okay. If you don't want, doesn't matter. In else, save the script, go to Unity, wait while it compiles, and while it compiles, you may guess what will be the output, guys. So the program starts execution. Here it comes to a condition and asks, and tells actually if 3 is less than 5, then go down and execute this code between these brackets, and else if 3 is not less than 5, execute this code. And guys, you may guess that 3 is less than 5, so the program will go in here and execute this code, and it will just totally miss this part of code. Okay, so we can see after running, let's run the program. We can see in if, so we come really in here. And now if I will put something like, I don't know, let's 5 is less than 3, guys, you know for sure that it is not true, so we will not get here. And if we are not getting here, the program will go in else statement and it will get inside here. So let's go to the Unity. Oh, I forgot to say. Okay, let's go to Unity, wait while it compiles. Now when it's compiled, run the program. So we are expecting an else, and we are getting it. Okay, that's fine. Another thing I would like to tell you is that you can use boolean variables, my bool, let's call it, and you can like let's put here true. You can use it instead of this variable, my bool, instead of this condition. So it will come here. If true, it will go inside here. If false, it will go down. And here it meets else and executes it. Okay, let's just save. Go to Unity. Wait while it compiles. And start the program once more. And we see here that we are in if. And that's why, because we put my bool is equal to true. So it comes here. It asks, if my bool is true, I will execute this, and my bool is actually true, and that's why it is executing this line of code. So guys, I think that's all for now. See you in the next video. In the next video we will cover a little bit more interesting parts of else if. Actually we will cover else if statement. If you want to watch it, just go and watch it, and I will talk to you guys about, oh, not watch, I will talk to you guys about the switch statement. It is pretty interesting as well. So see you later guys, bye bye.